As temperatures drop and snow begins to fall, having a vehicle that can handle the challenges of winter driving is essential. So, hello and welcome to Engine Junkie. In this video, we'll be exploring 5 of the best winter-ready cars on the market today, each equipped with features and capabilities to tackle icy roads, snowy conditions, and frigid temperatures with confidence. From all-wheel drive systems to advanced traction control technologies, these vehicles are designed to keep you safe and secure during the coldest months of the year. Let's hit the road and find out which cars are truly built to conquer winter. Number 1. Subaru Outback. The Subaru Outback is renowned for its suitability in winter conditions due to its standard all-wheel drive system, which enhances traction and stability on snow-covered roads. With its higher ground clearance compared to many sedans, the Outback navigates through snow and slush effectively without getting stuck. Its safety features, including traction control and stability control, coupled with available EyeSight driver assist technology, contribute to safe winter driving. The horizontally opposed boxer engine design lowers the vehicle's center of gravity, improving stability on slippery surfaces. Additionally, the Outback's compatibility with winter tires further enhances its performance in winter conditions. Many models feature heated seats, side mirrors, and steering wheels, enhancing comfort during cold drives. Subarus, including the Outback, have a reputation for reliability and durability in harsh conditions, making them a popular choice for winter driving. Number 2. Mercedes-Benz GLC Class. The Mercedes-Benz GLC Class is a suitable option for winter driving due to its available all-wheel drive system, providing better traction on slippery roads. Its ample ground clearance enables it to maneuver through snow-covered terrain effectively. Mercedes-Benz vehicles are equipped with advanced safety features like traction control and stability control, enhancing stability in winter conditions. Additionally, the GLC Class offers a comfortable and luxurious interior with amenities such as heated seats and a heated steering wheel, ensuring passenger comfort during cold weather. Engine options, including turbocharged 4-cylinder and V6 engines, deliver sufficient power for winter driving. Mercedes-Benz also offers optional winter packages with features like heated windshield wipers and mirrors, further enhancing the vehicle's performance and comfort in winter weather. While no vehicle is perfect for all winter driving scenarios, the Mercedes-Benz GLC Class generally provides the features and capabilities needed for confident and comfortable winter driving, especially when equipped with winter tires. Number 3. Jeep Wrangler. The Jeep Wrangler stands out as a reliable choice for winter driving, thanks to its standard 4-wheel drive system, providing exceptional traction on snowy and icy roads. With its elevated ground clearance and robust build, the Wrangler effortlessly maneuvers through snowbanks and rugged winter landscapes. Enhanced stability control and traction features ensure confident driving on slippery surfaces, prioritizing safety in winter conditions. Moreover, many Wrangler models offer heated seats and mirrors, adding comfort to cold winter journeys. Renowned for its durability and reliability, the Wrangler remains a top choice for tackling the challenges of winter weather. Number 4. Audi Q5. The Audi Q5 stands as a dependable choice for winter driving. Its practical ground clearance enables it to effortlessly navigate through moderate snow depths and uneven terrains, ensuring a smooth ride even in challenging conditions. Equipped with an array of advanced safety features including electronic stability control and traction control, the Q5 prioritizes stability and safety, instilling confidence in drivers during winter commutes. With a diverse range of engine options, the Q5 strikes a fine balance between power and fuel efficiency, delivering reliable performance when it matters most. Inside, the Q5 exudes luxury and comfort synonymous with Audi, featuring upscale amenities like heated seats and advanced climate control systems, elevating driving experiences during colder months. For added convenience, optional winter packages are available, offering amenities such as heated steering wheels and mirrors to enhance usability in harsh winter climates. Number 5. BMW X3. The BMW X3 emerges as a reliable companion for winter travels, chiefly owing to its adept all-wheel drive system, which bolsters traction on slippery surfaces such as snow and ice. With a moderate ground clearance, the X3 adeptly maneuvers through snow-laden roads and uneven terrains, promising a stable and controlled ride even amidst wintry challenges. Its advanced safety suite, including stability control and anti-lock brakes, underscores the X3's commitment to ensuring safety and stability during winter drives. Inside, the X3 boasts a luxurious and comfortable cabin, featuring amenities like heated seats and advanced climate control systems, fostering passenger comfort amid chilly weather conditions. While the BMW X3 generally excels in winter environments, outfitting it with winter tires can further augment its performance on snow-covered roads, affording enhanced grip and maneuverability. Thank you for joining us as we've explored 5 exceptional winter-ready cars. As we wrap up, it's evident that these vehicles are more than just transportation. They're reliable companions for the frosty roads ahead. As you prepare for your winter journeys, may these cars serve as a reminder of the ingenuity and resilience that define the automotive industry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we see us next time. Stay warm, stay safe, and happy driving.